Alright guys. Alright guys, so I don't know how many times I purge shoes. This is just a pile of them that I posted on OfferUp and Facebook where I'm selling all of these for $250. And I know people are going to try to talk me down, so I'll go as low as 2. So, yeah. This purging thing is ridiculous, and this is still the same day when I did those. I'm just going through getting everything I can done. And this right here is kind of like bittersweet. Now, a lot of these I did rock, and I rock well. Those pink ones, those I rock, those I rock. These I rock, those I didn't. Those I rocked. And those I rocked for my I want to say my 31st birthday or 32nd birthday. No, it was actually, no, it wasn't that long ago. 35th birthday. Those I rock. So, the boxes are on the floor, but I had to take them out so people can actually see the shoe. And these are the ones that I didn't post. I didn't post these. These are a little bit more tattered, and I don't know. I might just give those away, like to a charity or something like that. These are all the boxes, and these are the ones that I decided that I may keep because my wardrobe is going to go more so a neutral blacks and pops of color with my jewelry type of thing. So I love these. I probably won't get rid of these, and I still can fit these. So my thing is comfortable. Being comfortable. I have to try these on again. Being comfortable, whether I'm at a heavier weight, a smaller weight, can I still fit them, and are they comfortable for me? These are really comfortable, so I'm going to keep those. I know I tried these on for hubby birthday because I think I was going to wear those, so I think I could fit these, and I'm fine with those, so I'm going to keep those. And these I can still fit, which are really cute. And so I shouldn't have to buy any heels or anything, because if I'm going to keep these, I need to be wearing these. These are really freaking comfortable. And I don't know if y'all can tell, they have like metallic in them. Those are very comfortable. These vintage shoes are very comfortable, and they're not really high. So I'm definitely going to keep these bad boys. Yeah, and they're like a neutral color I can wear with like a cuffed up jean or something like that, and a blazer or something. And then these, I love them, but I'm on the fence about them. So, and I feel like I'm still keeping too many. These are my Steve Maddens. These are ride or die. These are real leather. Had them for a long time. And these are like a shoe that just never goes out of style. The style of it just never goes out of style. So, those. And then I got these from Torrid, and I never wore them. But I feel like I like them. I feel like these are kind of a shoe that really can't go out of style. Now, I know this gold heel thing was a trending thing, but the actual style of boot is something I feel that is cute, and you can wear in the winter or the fall, and they really don't go out of style. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I have a pair of sneakers, and I'm not sure if I want to keep them. Some Air Maxes. At this point, I have 3 pairs of Air Maxes, and I think that's more than enough. I recently brought me some Croc flip-flops that are so freaking comfortable, that I'll probably be wearing with a lot of maxis and stuff like that, until as much as I can to the summer. Now, I've worn these a couple times. I don't know if I want to keep them. I don't know. I'm trying to veer away from colors and have more of a neutral, black, gray, kind of olive, sort of tannish vibe going on. So with that being said, now I look back and I said, maybe I can keep those. I couldn't get my feet in them. Like I could, but they are tight. And I am getting older, and I just want to be comfortable but sexy when I feel like being sexy. I ain't trying to get no corns. I'm a little, I know I got a little Vienna sausages, but these bad boys don't got no corns on them. And I want to keep them that way. So with that being said, I want to make sure that the shoe that I'm wearing, if I decide to wear it, being cute or not. Now, you know, in those days of being young, you don't mind your feet hurting, and you just toss them off when you get home. But you was cute, girl, okay? You was cute. No, we're not doing that. I'm not in that zone. If they're not comfortable when I put them on, I'm like, nope, toss them, shuck them, somebody can have them. So that's where I'm at. So this right here is about the, oh my gosh, I want to say the 7th purge that I've done. I will try to link my first purge when I literally put all my shoes out from moving from South Carolina to here and doing a downsize and during our renovations, I will try to put the link below if I forget. Either look for or remind me so I can get the link and put it below, and you can see how many shoes I had. This right here is like 10% of the shoes I had. Like, that's ridiculous. A waste of freaking money. This could have been some cruises or something. You get what I'm saying? Like, this is a waste of freaking money, and I don't want you guys to do that. If you're younger and you're coming up, be comfortable, get what you enjoy, not what's trendy, because you waste money on things that are trendy because no one's going to want to wear it because it's not trending anymore. So do not waste your money, young people. And even if you're not young and you're still trying to figure out what you want to do as far as your look, it doesn't matter if you look like everybody else. It's not meant for you to look like everybody else. If you like something, rock it. And this was me. I was colorful, I was bold, I was vibrant, but I'm not that anymore. You get what I'm saying? What I mean is I'm transitioning, and I'm more in a mature state of thinking different about my fashion. And so that's why I don't have a problem with, let's purge. Let someone else who's in this phase have this, and let me spend my money and my coins on something that's important. So if you missed my video of me purging those scarves and stuff, go take a look at that. I had over, I would say, about 200 scarves, and that's what I purged it down to. I have some summer scarves, some fall and winter scarves, and then I have some head wraps over there. So, all right, guys, I hope you guys are enjoying me purging and decluttering and getting my mind quiet and minimizing my home. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. And remember, stick to your script because you are the best at it. Later, gators.